Hello and welcome to this next lesson. This, that, these, and those. And these are demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so let's have a look at when to use them. So when a noun is singular, then we use this when it's something near, and when something far, then we use that. And when the noun is plural, then we use these, and if the noun is plural and far, then we use those. Let's look at some examples that will help. Okay, so this, practice the pronunciation. This tree is beautiful. Okay, you can see that the man is standing next to the tree. Okay, the tree is the noun here, and it's singular, right? He's near the tree, and it's singular. Okay, now we have these. These trees are beautiful. Listen to the difference between this and these. And these trees are beautiful. Okay, this is for the plural. Okay, it's still near him, but it's plural. This, these. Now let's look at that. Okay, that tree is beautiful. Okay, so let's remember this one. That is singular, right? That tree, and it's far. Okay, so let's move me here, and you can see that it's far. Okay, so that tree is beautiful. And those is for plural. Look at the S. Those trees are beautiful. So those is for something far. Okay, far and plural. Okay. So let's look at the negative form now. Those trees aren't beautiful. Okay, so you add the not to the are not beautiful. And question form, are those trees beautiful? Are those trees beautiful?